Okay, so September 1st today, Cole and I went on a dove hunt today, and we shot 10. We had a good time. Obviously not both of our limits, but we did have a fun time, and I am just going to show you guys how I was shown how to clean these doves years ago, and how we prepare them and then fillet them, and then we're actually going to cook some tonight too, so we can show you how we cook them, and maybe you guys can try that too. That'll help you a little bit. So they're very simple. I just grab their wings, turn them, pull them off, and once I get both the wings off, I just peel the legs back, and I'll rip the skin, and then you expose the breast, and then slide your thumb right there at the base of the breast, and it'll just peel off of there just like that. And then you just have your little bit of feathers to wash off, and you can fillet both those right off that wishbone. And I like to put them in with I will wrap them in bacon here in about 30 minutes and add a slice of jalapeno and put a little cream cheese in there, and they are very good, so we're looking forward to that. So just like a little closer up shot on how we clean these, grab the wing right here at the base, twist it and pull it, and it'll pop right off. Same thing on the other one, twist it and pull it, pops right off. And then I like to grab the legs and just peel that back, and it'll open up that chest cavity, and you can just peel those feathers right off of there. And just grab the base of the breast and then the dove and pull that apart right there, and then you're just left with the breast plate essentially. So they're probably one of the easier birds, I would say, to clean. It does take a lot of them to make a meal though. Luckily we're just eating for two tonight. So now we need to go over to the hydrant, wash these off. Boy, that sucker's got some pressure on it, huh? So I'm just rinsing off all of these breasts, that way I can get all the feathers off of them before I take them back over to where we cleaned them originally and fillet the meat off of the breastbone. We really only get a couple dove hunts a year, so this is we like to take advantage of these opportunities. This year we decided to show you guys how we cook and clean them. So I just come in and go straight down the breastplate. And once I get down, then I just turn it, cut, peel that back. When I cut them off too, I like to kind of feel them a little bit and make sure there's not a shot in them. Otherwise you'd probably chip a tooth. And that would really take away from your dove hunting experience. Okay. We're here today with Bobby's Fillet, Hell's Kitchen. We're going to be making some dove poppers. So first I start by cutting all the stems off, which I have all those done. I cut them all in halves, and then I will scoop the seeds out with a spoon. I like to do it when I have a trash can close by too. Makes it a lot easier. Now, what I do is I take some cream cheese, and I stuff a jalapeno with it. And I don't want to do too much on these because I want to put that dove breast in here. And I want it to sit flat for the most part. So now I'm going to take my jalapeno, I'm going to take a dove breast, I'm going to lay that on top, I'm going to wrap it with bacon. And then we're going to take a toothpick to hold it all together here. And that is it. Very simple. So we have all of these put together. We ran out of room on our pan. This will have to do. Now we're going to put these in the oven for roughly 45 minutes. We're baking them at 400. Woo! It's hot.